Ever lay awake at night, wondering if your partner's snoring could wake the dead? Or maybe you've thought about recording it, just to prove they sound like a freight train in full throttle. Ah, the joys of sharing a bed. But hold on, don't start building that spare bedroom just yet. There's a simple solution to this symphony of snores. Ever heard of earplugs? These little wonders can turn that chainsaw orchestra into a silent night. Or for the brave souls, why not join the symphony? Next time the snoring starts, join in with your own rendition. Who knows, you might just create a hilarious duet that becomes the next viral sensation. Remember, love is about compromise, and sometimes that means finding the humor in the snore fest. So here's to peaceful nights and even more to the laughter-filled days.